Ayubowan. Join with me to explore another attractive beachside cabana. Here's how the entrance looks like, and this is the outside view of the cabana. The cabana was done in really natural way. It has full of natural furniture, the settings, the tent, material walls, etc. The view of the beach in the evening is so relaxing and calm. I really enjoyed being in the beach at that time. I didn't go further to have a bath because there were no crowd in this area and I didn't know how deep the sea is. However, I still enjoyed being in the beach. I'm at my beach cabana at Jungle Beach Camp Ahungalla. The place is easily accessible from Colombo Main Goal Road. You have to come across a gate which belongs to another house, but that's fine. As I walk in, I just felt like I'm walking to a jungle. And soon after bit for like 2-3 minutes walk, I just see the nice, beautiful view of the beach, the blue sky and the beach. It's really picturesque. And if I tell you about the cabana, it doesn't consist of walls. It has the tent material, camping tent material as the walls, and you have a door. And the bathroom also looks like sort of natural. The floors and the roof also natural wooden. So it's like being in mid of a jungle. You can hear the breeze and hear the noise of the beautiful sea. That's all you can hear when you are inside this cabana. And of course, the food, we had barbecue for dinner, and breakfast was sort of Sri Lankan. And I had some fresh fruit drink plus some fruit platter as well. Uh, I would suggest this place is really calm and quiet place. If you are looking for a place to just to relax from your busy work schedules and without much noise of the cities and the vehicles, this would be a great place. Here you are witnessing the early morning view of this beautiful beach. I enjoyed having a walk alongside the beach and it was so relaxing. I really loved the colors of this sea. This is the view from Indian Ocean from Ahungalla Beach. This Ahungalla city, which is located in the southern coastal area, has easy and quick access from Colombo. For the travelers who are looking for a place to relax, overlooking the scenic ocean, this would be an ideal place. However, this beach area do not have interesting activities such as snorkeling, surfing, or even bathing is not recommended in this area. But still, I would suggest that it would give you an escape from the noisy cities and the busy life schedules of you. Just visit the place and enjoy.